Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Conan Exiles Enhanced gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on Power and then select Restart. This will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam. Under Library section, select your game. Right click on it, click on Properties, click on Controller, and here you have to select Enable Steam input and then check if the gamepad is working or not. If not, again come back, select Disable Steam input and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, simply select Use Default Settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game. Under Library section, right click on it, click on Properties, click on Install Files and then click on Verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, check if controller is working or not. Next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller, and after that go to the Windows search for Device Manager, expand Human Interface Devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on Update Driver and then click on Search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check. So you simply go to Steam, select your game, and here you will find an update option if there is available. Click on it, update your game, and after that launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for Settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update option, then click on Check for Updates and it will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, launch it and check if controller is working now. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the search option, search for Settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, remove a controller from here, click on 3-dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch, go to the settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on everything else, add your controller over here, and after that check whether it's working now. If not, the next method is to launch Steam in big picture mode and then check. So for that, go to Steam, select your game. Under Library section, here you can see big picture mode. You simply have to click on, after entering big picture mode, try to play the game and check if it's launching or not. After that, exit big picture mode and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Conan Exiles Enhanced gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.